In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to accessing live chat. If you're stuck on a Shopify issue and want to talk to a real person, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to open a live chat from the Help Center and what to expect along the way. First, open your browser and go to help.shopify.com. This is Shopify's official Help Center, where all support options live. On the homepage, you'll see an AI search bar. Type a clear, specific question about your issue. For example, instead of writing shipping problem, you might say, "Why are my domestic shipping rates not showing at checkout?" The better your question, the faster the system can route you to the right resources and connect you with a support advisor if needed. After you run the search and review the suggestions, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the Chat with Us button. This is the quickest path to live assistance when you need a human to step in. At this point, you may be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign into your Shopify account so the advisor can securely view the basics of your setup. Logging in helps support identify your plan, installed features, and any recent changes, which saves time during the chat. If you manage multiple stores under the same login, you'll be asked to choose the store that needs help. Select the correct store from your active stores so the advisor can pull the right information. Once you confirm your store, you'll be placed in a queue. You'll see the estimated wait time on screen, so you know what to expect. Keep the tab open while you wait. The timer will update automatically, and the chat window will open when an advisor becomes available. A quick tip while you wait: jot down the key details you want to share, like the steps to reproduce the issue, any error messages, and the time frame when it started. Having this ready helps your advisor troubleshoot more efficiently. If something changes on your end while you're waiting, you can update your message in the chat box so it's there when the advisor joins. And that's it. By going to help.shopify.com, asking a specific question in the AI search bar, clicking Chat with Us, logging in, selecting the right store, and waiting in the queue, you'll reach a support advisor who can assist you live. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need faster.